Hello from Fairshare IT Services. So there are changes that are happening in one of your favorite product, fairwahikhata.com. So, and they are very subtle and very small changes, but we would like to let you know beforehand so that there is no confusion later on. So, as you remember, this is the customer search or customer data screen. So on this screen you can search by customer, and then let's say you got this particular customer. Now for this customer, currently the balance is 298 or something. So you can always click on this button to go to customer details, where you can see all the other orders for customer and other customer details, right? So this is not really a balance screen, this is more like a customer details screen. So similarly, you can always download the customers orders from here, you can add customers from here. Then you can also, in this list, you can decide whether you want to hide the customers with zero balance or you want to show all. So that is the feature that this checkbox gives. Then also you can add the orders for this customer from right here. Similarly, you can add the payments also, right? So this is the screen that you are used to see. I just want to make sure that you, the new screen that you are going to see, I want to convince you that it is basically the same. It's just that we are converting the names into icons, because nowadays people are more used to icons than the text. And also it makes more sense, the screen becomes smaller, we can show more data once the screen becomes smaller. So it's exactly the same. And if you look at this, download orders, download is download, right? Add customer, we are just showing the plus screen. Okay, so again, like if you want, I can just show you the older one. So this is download, this is add customer. I hope this is like a very simple thing, right? Then here you see view zero balance. So instead of that view zero balance, what you see here is a toggle button. So like if you click on show all, it will switch to hide zero. If you click again, then it will show all. So it's as simple as that. Then nowadays people use cart for orders. So this is the cart is an icon for adding the orders. So you can click here and you can add the orders. Then here this is like a rupee note or any other currency note. So that is like a payment. So when you receive a payment, click here. And this is very obvious, like customer details is like a visiting card of the customer. So these are the simple changes that we have done. So like you can play around, try it. The backend functionality is not changing, please remember that. So like for example, by mistake, if you click on payment instead of order, then you'll see the screen. So from the screen you can figure out whether the change, or that the screen is same or not, and then make the entries. Also, we are going to change the customer detail screen as well. So why are we doing this is because these are the industry standards these days. So all our existing customers, they have also started asking us that you make these changes, and also the new customers are suggesting us that it's such a nice product, so why don't you make these small changes which are good for the eyes and they are more obvious. Okay, so thank you so much, and I really appreciate your cooperation all along.